This is a McLaren V8 engine construction. Just see, remove engine from the car. Now I'm going to see the engine. This is the engine. Flywheel one part is there. Bank 1, bank 2, turbocharged. This is a twin turbocharged transmission box, automatic transmission, throttle body. Roller there. Engine head. The exhaust. Alternator just rotated by just little bit one. This belt. Same here also. This is AC compressor, not rotated by serpentine. This is the small part. So thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you will like my video and stay with me. Thank you. Welcome from KURIANAUTO.